So, ito pala yung first topic namin kay Sir Galoso. What is ICT? So, ICT or Information and Communication Technology is the instruments that enable modern computing. Among the goals of technologies, tools, and systems to improve the way humans create. So, ano nga ba ang mga na-include sa ICT? So, ICT encompasses the technologies are included in ICT. So, ICT encompasses the internet, enables pair and mobile one powered by wireless networks. It includes antiquated technologies such as landline, telephones, radio, and television broadcasts, all of which remain widely used alongside today's cutting-edge ICT pieces such as artificial intelligence and robotics. Internet of Things, Metaverse, virtual reality, and social media are also part of ICT, as are cloud computing services, video conferencing, and collaborations. Next. Yung pangalawang topic ni Sir, learning. Learning is acquiring new knowledge, behavior, skills, values, or preferences and may involve sanitizing different types of information. The ability to learn is possessed by humans, animals, and some machines. It is also the development of new knowledge, skills, or attitude as an individual interacts with information in the environment. So, meron tayong types of learning. So first, we have a habitation. Habitation is psychology. Habituation is an example of non-associative learning in which there is a progressive diminution of behavior response probability which repetition of stimulus. So, ang ikalawa naman ay associative learning. Ang pangatlo is the classical conditioning. At ang pang-apat is imprinting. So, imprinting describes any kind of pace-sensitive learning occurring at a particular age or particular life stage that is rapid and apparently independent of the consequences of behavior. So, pang-lima is observational learning. Observational learning, the learning process most characteristic of human is imitations, one's personal repetitions of the observed behavior such as dance. So, ang pang-anim is play. Play generally describes behavior which has no particular end in itself. Ang pang-pito natin is enculturations. So, is the process by which a person learns the requirements of their native culture by which he or she is surrounded and acquires values and behaviors that are appropriate or necessary in the cultures. So, ang pang-walo natin is multimedia learning. Multimedia learning is where a person uses both auditory and visual stimuli to learn information. Learning in augmentative learning, electronic learning, or e-learning is a general term used to refer to internet-based network computer-enhanced learning. Rote learning is a technique which avoids understanding the informal learning occurs through the experience of day-to-day situations. Formal learning is a learning that takes place within a teacher-student relationships such as in a school system. Non-formal learning is organized learning outside the formal learning system. Is the process by which some portions of people will self-educate if a topic is exposed to them in something that they already enjoy, such as playing musical instruments. The domains of learning. According to Benjamin Bloom, has suggested 3 domains of learning. So, meron tayo ditong cognitive, to recall, calculate, discuss, analyze, problem solve, and etc. Psychomotor, to dance, swim, ski dive, drive a car, ride a bike, and etc. Affective, to like something or someone, love, appreciate, fear, hate, worship, and etc. Psychological perspective of learning, behavior perspective, the behavior of an organism